always liked Christmas trees, but since I don't want to hassle with a real size tree this year, I decided to have a smaller version. I searched a lot and I couldn't find one that I liked, so I had to find one that I could modify. I ended up with this one, which is 8 inches tall. I found a good miniature lights, but I had to modify the base to fit the batteries and the switch. Also, I painted the wires with liquid electrical tape to look more realistic, although I had to mix black and green to create the right color. After adding a star on the top from another light set, the final touch was to find nice decorations. They are mostly earrings that I found online and in multiple stores. It was a quick and fun project, so I recommend it, even if it's not going to be your only Christmas tree. I'll put the links on the description if you're interested. I hope you like it and see you on the next video. Bye bye.